Hi and welcome to my home. My name is Joanna Lavén. I'm an interior designer and stylist. In this tutorial, I will show you how to arrange your pillows in 3 different styles. I'd like you to consider 2 things when you pick your bedding. First, your personal style, and then second, how much time you've got on your hands in the morning. First, I will show you my personal go-to style. It's the minimalistic pillow arrangement, and I start off with the larger pillows in the bottom, and then I add these smaller ones on top. It takes only a few minutes, which I like, and it looks very stylish and elegant. For this style, I tilted the back pillows, and then I add another layer. As you can see, it's the same width, this one and this one, but this one is a bit lower, so you can see this above. This is a real classic style. Some like a more Smores vibe in their bedroom, and this is for them. Here I'm gonna add even more pillows to make this bedding super soft and cozy. This will take you a bit longer in the morning, but it's worth it. For this style, it's good to stick to a monochrome or a pared down color scheme. That way you get some balance and you can add texture like this one for more interesting bedding. I also try to add different sizes of pillows and shapes. As you can see here, this is a normal bedding pillow, and I mixed it with cushion you can use in the sofa and also in the bed. Now you have 3 styles of bedding to try at home. Which one is your favorite?